Rob Frazier here. This video I want to talk about, is it still worth buying solo ads in 2021? Is it still worth it to buy solo ads in 2021? Is it still worth it to buy solo ads in 2021? If you'd asked me that question maybe 3 days ago, I would have probably have said not really. My whole claim to fame, I started making a lot of money in 2015 when I started to buy solo ads. And in this video, I'm not calling out Udemy. I'm just using them as an example. I used Udemy solo ads for years, off and on. And in Udemy, there's different sellers who come and go, and I myself have sold traffic on Udemy. And in 2015, 2016, 17, you could buy traffic from solo ads and be solid. 18, 19, 20, it kind of fell off. And it fell off because of many different reasons. Bad vendors. On Udemy, there's a lot of people who are inexperienced with traffic, and they buy and sell traffic from each other. Like on Udemy, it's just like a whole big list swap. You know, I'll buy traffic from you, you buy traffic from me, and then the same people end up being on like everyone's email list because everyone's buying email solo ads from each other, and everyone's promoting, you know, different things. But it's like a small fish pond. So that's usually what happens. A lot of people on those email lists get beat up and pounded with offers every which way but sideways. And then when you buy a solo ad, what do you think your results are going to be? So again, not calling them out. I'm just stating my experience. And also, there's a lot of people out there. I used to think that people would do this on purpose. Now there are some people doing this. You buy a solo ad from them and they'll guarantee you an opt-in rate. And the only way they can guarantee you an opt-in rate is by lead stuffing. So there's people who have software that when you buy clicks from them, they'll take the software and inject emails into your capture page. You think you're getting actual leads when you're just getting leads stuffed. Now, they may be good leads, they may be bad leads, who knows? The solo ad guy probably bought a bunch of, 10 million emails for $100 and has taken those emails, and that's what he's selling. Whether those emails are good or bad, who knows? But that some of the stuff that happens. There's also bots, and what they do is they'll opt into your lead capture page, find your email from the autoresponder, your marketing system, your first email that goes out in your autoresponder, and then they'll reverse market. They'll collect leads that way, and then that will consider you a buyer, and then they'll sell your information as a solo ad. So there's all sorts of stuff. There's different bots and emails that will create free accounts on whatever program is you're selling, and it's just for the sake of gathering data, ultimately. But all this kind of stuff happens, and the reason I'm saying this is different things I've learned to kind of become disillusioned after a while. And then this also comes from my experience selling solo ads. I would sell a solo ad on Udemy. I would take the ad and I would email it out to my list, and Udemy would filter so many different clicks. I'm like wondering, why are all of my clicks being filtered? And, apparently on my list I had some of those bots and fake emails and different things when I didn't know. I was just taking the ad, emailing it out to my list until I get a certain amount of clicks. So that being said, it's not all the vendors because, sometimes they may not know. You don't know if you got crap on your list or not unless you clean your list repeatedly, and I do, but still there's some bots that are hard to get off your list unless you go through and scrub your list, and it's just an intensive process which I'm just now learning of. So all of that being said, is it still worth it to buy solo ads in 2021? With all of the stuff that I just shared, and there's more, it just gets deeper and deeper, and the more sophisticated things get, the more, the more it gets balanced out on the other end. I just recently came across this software, and I may include a link to software if you want to create an account, but I will tell you, I'm pretty persistent. If I have something, I will work on it until I figure it out. But this software, it's not hard to set up, but it can be a challenge, let's just say. There's a few things that the guy didn't lay out on the back end, but the only reason I'm saying this is this software will allow me to find out if people are selling good solo ads or not. And so ultimately, just a few things that you'll find out from using the software. If you buy a solo ad, and this reason I'm doing this video is because a lot of people I know are buying solo ads and are not getting results for many different reasons. But some of those reasons could be you're buying solo ads from crap people, or maybe the people aren't crap, but their leads are crap because they're just worn out and they're not opening emails. So some of the things that this software will allow you to do is go through, see your opt-in rate, see if the people were already on your email list. Kind of ties in with what I was just sharing earlier about how on Udemy the same leads are on multiple people's list. Well, this person that I bought a solo ad from, so far out of 57 clicks, I ordered 250 clicks from him. So 250 clicks, I think, for $103. And I got 57 clicks so far. So this is just partial data. But out of those 57 clicks and 20 leads, 3 of them were already on my list. So things like that are good to know. And you can see if people are actually opening and clicking links in your email, because that's the most important part. You buy a solo ad from a guy, some people, I bought a solo ad from this guy, I didn't make a sale, that's crap traffic. No. When you buy a solo ad, your main purpose is to get leads. Real leads that open your email and click on your links. If they open your email and click on your links, you have a chance to make money at this game. And it takes following up, emailing out different offers. Just think, how many times did you see something before you bought it? Did you buy it the first time you see it, or did you buy it, do your research, check it out on Facebook, check out some YouTube reviews, and after receiving 15 emails about the thing, then you finally joined? That's how you make money with email marketing. So here, same deal. If you buy traffic from a guy and nobody's opening your emails and nobody's clicking, odds are you don't want to use that source anymore. You want to take your money and go elsewhere. You want to buy fresh leads who are at least opening your emails, because if they're opening your emails and clicking, you have a chance. If they're not even opening your emails, so it's like a thing to work on both ends. Are your emails hype-filled and your autoresponders crap and all your emails are going into spam? Or are you buying traffic from a faulty source? Maybe the leads are beat up. So just something to think about. So that's what this software will allow me to do. What I'm going to do going forward is use this software. I'm going to test every single source that I'm using. And I don't know if I'm going to call them out per se, but I will definitely start documenting my results and keeping people honest, because that's the whole goal. I want to keep honest people honest when it comes to buying traffic and selling traffic, especially because I do solo ads. Why? Because I got an annoying bird yapping in the background. I got kids, I got family, I got responsibilities, I got 10,000 different things pulling my attention in 10,000 different directions. And, you know, buying traffic was what helped me. But at the same time, you know, it's getting harder and harder. I mean, making money in affiliate marketing can be challenging enough on top of all of this stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, that being said, follow my channel, like, subscribe. Also, if you want to learn my perpetual traffic plan, I'm include a link underneath this video so you can opt into my email list, please, with your real email, because I'll know, and I'll email out my perpetual traffic plan, what I do, because buying traffic, clicks, is just one of 3 ways. That's why I have a balanced approach to traffic, because there's all sorts of crap always happening. But if you have a balanced approach to your marketing, you can keep the ball, you keep moving the ball down the field. So that being said, wrapping this video up, if you want more information about this software, reach out to me. It's easy, but it can be a little challenging, I will say. And I can get kind of techie, but it was a little challenging for me. They use ClickFunnels as well. So if you have any other page builder, you will have to know HTML. So I'm going to just say that much. But it's a great software when you have it. Or if you want to do, if you want me to test out a vendor and then do a review on them, I can do that. I can say, hey Rob, can you buy traffic from this source right here? I'll buy it, I'll test it, I have my tracking, and I could specify the results afterwards as an option. Or we could do a co-op, or we could talk about something like that offline. Either which way, questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, all that good stuff. Leave a comment below. Say, Rob, your video was crap. This was some bull crap. Or it was good info and you want more. Let me know. I'm going to be getting a new office so I can do these videos without constant interruptions. Anyway, we're wrapping this video up. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!